Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with my little sister Nancy, and today we've got two resurrected. She's going to be digging one, I'm going to be digging one. So let's just get straight into it. Hi guys, I'm Mikey. Welcome to my world. First thing we need to do, guys, is put it in the water for 30 seconds to make it all soft so we can dig it. So I need to take my thing out, put it straight in there. Right, Nancy, you can wait a minute. Not yet. Right. Nearly your turn. 1, 2. Right, put it all the way in. 4, 5. Now it's time to dig it. Let's start digging. I can already see something right here. Oh, you already see something in here. Let's see what's in there. Let's dig. Let's start digging. No, have you seen anything yet? I see something blue and white. Oh yeah. Guys, she's actually right. She's not lying this time. Oh Nunu, you've got to take the gem out. Right, brother? Yeah. Right. But that's fine for now because we need it for the map later. Will you do it now? No. Why? Because we need to dig it first. I do two things, guys. Look, one in the corner, one in the middle. The one in the middle is the treasure chest, I think. I think this might be the head. Guys, I can see something blue and white, guys. And it's white there, guys. And it's white there, guys. Nunu, let's see if you can get it out before brother gets the chest out. Okay? Because you need to start digging around it, yeah. Nunu, you start digging around it here. Brother's gonna win. I'm gonna win first. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. You win. You win, you win me. I actually split it in half. Now I see everything. Treasure chest. Brother wins. I have to do it. Found this part. I found a head. This is the weapon, I know it. Just need to dig it a little bit more. Guys, I can see a bit more, guys. I can see something blue and white, guys. That's mine and that's yours. No, it's not mine. I'm going to start collecting treasure. Okay. Brother done. Remember where we've got a huge collection upstairs. And if you want to see the videos for them guys, go check in the link down below. No, I nearly finished, guys.
One eternity later.
Then put all of it together. Body, tricky part like the arms and the legs. I've experienced resurrected for thousands of years, even though I'm only 7. Oh, I broke it. First leg done. Imagine if one is like Crowbar, the bird one, where he had a horn for the leg. For a leg. No. Jelly. Jelly. You need to build it. Mikey, can you help me? Yep, ask Brother on this leg. Mikey say after Mikey done that. Yeah. So guys, this is look like a marble. A werewolf. A werewolf.
What's it got in his hand?
A hammer.
It's got a hammer.
Yeah. He can stand up. I'm gonna call him Nancy like this. I'm gonna call him Mikey like my brother. This is what it turned out to be, guys. Now it's time to do the chest. I've got the original one, she's got the dragon's gold one. So what I need to do with all this orange stuff, I need to put it in the water so all the orange stuff will like fade away and I can see what treasure I've got. So let's get straight to doing it. I got slime in this one. What else did you get, Nunu? Surprising.
Is there something inside the
No
slime?
way. I think I actually got real gold.
Is there something inside the slime?
Yeah.
Show the camera what you got.
I got this. Gold. Got this. I actually got gold, guys. I cannot believe it. You know, is there a special treat for finding gold? If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Bye guys.